Today I welcome Dr. Ridhima Sharma in 10 Minute 10 Thoughts. Dr. Ridhima is an assistant professor in Vivekanand Institute of Professional Studies, Delhi. She is alumnus of Delhi University and Banasthali Vidyapeeth. Dr. Ridhima is a gold medalist. Today she will talk about success is built on failure. Ridhima. My first
Thank you so
question
much.
My first question to you, Ridhima, what is concept of success and failure according to you?
Sir, the concept of success and failure basically play an important role in our lives. Most of the people don't reach their dreams not because of the failure, but most of them give up at their first failure. So it is not the failure that stops us, but that is we stop at our first failure. So those who succeed, basically they don't stop at one failure, they don't stop at 10th or 100th or 1000th of failure. They say, this is my goal and I will do whatever it takes to achieve it. I will learn, work hard, smart, and will not quit until the dream has been a reality. So according to me, this is the difference between a success and a failure. Failure is a massive part of being able to be successful. The definition of success, I think, is not valid up to having a property at a posh area, a luxurious car, or a stylish bike. One must be able to differentiate between the part of success and failure in their lives.
Very good. So, do you think that failure acts as a catalyst in our life?
I personally feel that sometimes failure acts as a blessing in disguise. See, if we doesn't do anything, at least we can say that nothing is possible. But if we give it a try, then we can say that there is a hope. I have been failed for funniest of the things in my life. I have failed in my 11th physics class test. I remember I was not able to clear engineering entrance exam with a good rank. Even my parents got disappointed with me over this. But that was the last failure which have been failed in my life. And after that, I have been topper in my all over academics. So whenever the concept of failure comes into my mind, I have one poem instance. तू ना थकेगा कभी, तू ना रुकेगा कभी, तू ना मुड़ेगा कभी, कर शपथ अग्निपथ अग्निपथ. So one should always remember successful people fail a lot more than they succeed. The difference only is that we have to be positive and we should know how to use the opportunity and do the best in our. Sir, see, there is a generation gap between us and our parents. Sometimes parents think that they have not gone through the youth, but it happens in our life that whatever we choose in our line, that not will be aligned in with the my family, peer, or institution. So if one wants to do something in their life and there is a particular price associated to it, we complain about it that we will do this but without paying a price. So this is not a life. If you want means so much to you, you must pay a price for it. But if you find prices are too much, you will back out naturally. So I think everyone should evaluate whether one wants to give a particular price for that particular thing in their life or not. There is no particular standard, both are fine. But one should remember nothing is free. Just remember, and nothing is easy.
Very. So, can you tell me any instance about your friend who failed once in his or her life and then he returned back and now he or she is doing a wonderful job in his or her life?
There are many of the friends in my life which have been, I can say, considered to be a failure during their school days or during their college days. But when we see them today, they are, I personally think that they are at a good position than me. Failures succeed more than the, we can say, the successful people. One should not be influenced by watching those successful stories. One, if one wants to learn, one should learn from the failures of other people. Then one can be able to counter if that failure comes into their lives, how they can deal with it positively, so as
Okay.
they could have betterment.
So, what is your message to 21st century netizens? Your message.
My final word for youth, I can say, is today the world is full of challenges and opportunities. Few years ago, there were also challenges and opportunities. Few years later will be challenges and opportunities. But the main thing depends upon how we look at it. Someone will look challenge as an opportunity. Some people will complain that there are no opportunities. I also even complain when I was in my earlier time. I usually complain I was not able to get an admission into that college. All these students have got the admission. But we should think opportunity lies in challenges or complaints. So one should always be out for a way for opportunity to be successful in life. Don't try to be the best, be the first. Being yourself is the key to success. You can make enough mistakes in your lives, no worries. You fall, you stand up. You fall, you stand up. But don't worry, with every mistake you can see that it will be an income. It is a revenue for you in future. It is basically not about the competition of knowledge, but now today is the competition of creativity, imagination, or you can say an independent thinking. So don't worry about money. Money will follow people. People should follow their dreams. So if you have a dream, just go ahead. कुछ करना है तो डट कर चल, थोड़ा दुनिया से हटकर चल, लकीर पर तो सब चलते हैं, कभी इतिहास को पलट कर चल, सोच मत साकार कर. This will be my final word for the youth.
Fantastic, Ridhima. In nutshell, you have shared, such a wonderful, message that must be, useful for 21st century generation. And really, I request you to once again, you will come in. Once again, Ridhima, thank you so much.